everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join OpenAI waitlist. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. You might know that OpenAI has launched a latest version of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 4. In order to join in the waitlist, go ahead and open up a web browser, type in openai.com and search. Once you end up in the official site of OpenAI, click on the Learn About ChatGPT 4 button and then you can try your ChatGPT 4 with ChatGPT Plus subscription. Click on this button to do so, but if you'd like to join into the API list so that you can be notified when a spot has become available for you. So click on the Join API waitlist in order to join into the waitlist for ChatGPT 4. The ChatGPT 4 will be available as an API for developers to build applications and services. So to join in the waitlist, go ahead and type in your first name in the first text box, then your last name on the next, enter a valid email address of yourself, and then type in your company name in the next field. Enter the organization ID and select a plan from the option to use ChatGPT 4. If you have any specific ideas you're excited to share that can help in building ChatGPT 4, then you can go ahead and type it in right here. And finally, click on the Join Waitlist button. Once you do that, you'll soon hear from OpenAI. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.